Hey guys, so I'm in the process of putting my shocks back on my XCR, and the other day I was sitting there searching the internet, seeing if anybody else is having complaints about their XCR being too soft, and Google results brought up hardcore sledder forum and the Indy XCR sub forum, and anyway, somebody linked my one of my riding videos and said, hey, this guy, he's almost 200 pounds and he's having trouble. And so one of the members, Flash 7192, I think it was. Anyway, he's like, oh yeah, his sled's unbalanced and he's got his front shocks, the springs turned all the way up. Like, that's amazing. The guy could derive that without measuring anything. And anyway, before I took my springs off and sent my shocks in, I'd measured them. And so right now, this is without any preload on them, and you're at 13 millimeters. So here they are, got it spun up. This is what it came from the factory set at, 22 millimeters. So yeah, so you can see I still have thread left. They're obviously not spun all the way down. So just kind of funny. More misinformation from the hardcore sledder forum. Big surprise. Okay, center shock preload is at 44 millimeters. And there's still quite a bit of thread left to make it stiffer if I needed to. So I'm getting ready to put the rear skid in. Show you a trick that I use. I have a come along hooked to the ceiling to lift the back end of the sled up off the ground. It just makes it so much easier. I don't have to hassle with trying to tip the machine up on its side and balancing it. And then the worst part is then tipping it back over to get the other bolt in, unless you can do it while it's on its side. And it just, I get real tired of that. I found this works a lot better. Here's another trick that I'll do sometimes, and I did it here. I just got a strap, compress the front arm, and that way it allowed me to slide it into slide the skid frame into the track much easier than horsing around with it and running out of clearance here, because the higher you jack it up, the less track you'll have on the ground, and can make it difficult. I just try to do things I just try to make my life easy. Oh yeah, and one more. I used another tie-down strap to hold the track up to create enough room to slide the skid frame in. Another trick that I'll do is I'll use a little floor jack to lift the front of the skid up. And that allows me to line the, you can see there, to line the hole up. And I'm a little bit off, focus, I'm a little bit off. And what I can do is pull it back, and then I'll be able to get both my bolts in. All right, it's all back together, ready to go. I have the rear preload set on medium, just focus, just like it is stock. So basically, spring preload on the stock springs, and it's set to the stock settings that it came with when I got it. Only difference is now I've got the Revalved shocks. So I'm gonna go eat lunch and take it out for a ride and report back.